stomach ache, excessive gastric acid, gastric distension, diarrhea, constipation, don't bear it any longer. These symptoms are probably the distress signal your stomach and intestines are sending out to you. Diseases such as gastritis, gastric ulcer, gastric atrophy, enteritis, intestinal polyp, which cannot be cured by drugs, may turn into fatal major diseases. Authoritative data show that malignant gastrointestinal diseases are increasing rapidly worldwide and have become the third largest killer after lung cancer. However, China, with a large population affected by gastrointestinal diseases, has completely reversed the situation with one product, which has not only shocked the world, but has also won the recognition of the world. The product is GI Vital Softgel, which helps people stay away from gastrointestinal diseases with its amazing efficacy. Many people who have used it said that they have never seen such product that works so effective. Even some patients who don't respond to traditional therapies can get miraculously better after taking GI Vital Softgel. By virtue of the world's leading technology and second-to-none efficacy, GI Vital Softgel has created many firsts in the industry. The first health product to appear at Times Square, New York, USA. The first health product to hold a press conference at UN headquarters. The Wall Street Journal once published a regeneration revolution. Newsweek went so far to make report under the headline, Vital Regenerative Restoration Science Cures Gastrointestinal Diseases. Like a powerful shockwave, it is shaking the world. Health and longevity have always been the dream and goal of scientists. Since mankind created civilization, many methods and scientific systems have been established to maintain health and prolong life. The regenerative repair of human body has naturally become an important research topic in science. In Obama's State of the Union address in 2013, human regenerative restoration science was incorporated into the development policies of the United States. After years of research, scientists have made amazing achievements in the field of regenerative restoration. In their clinical application research, they found that potential regenerative cells exist in the living tissues of deep burn wounds, which can be awakened and transformed into skin K19 pluripotent stem cells in situ, and then regenerate new skin organs in situ according to the normal skin development procedure. A large number of experiments, including pumpkin skin experiment, burn experiment, and severed finger regeneration experiment, have fully proved that potential regenerative cells exist in all organs of human body. The life regeneration nutrients can activate the inherent regeneration potential of human body, and then the potential regenerative cells in human body regenerate new cells in situ under appropriate conditions to replace defective and aging cells, thus realizing our dream of health and longevity. The discovery of potential regenerative cells means that human body has regenerative potential. Good health and longevity is no longer a dream. GI Vital Softgel, the first high-tech health product to realize the regeneration of gastrointestinal tissue cells. GI Vital Softgel is a scientific and technological achievement made by the Norland after overcoming many difficulties. With herbal medicine and vital regenerative restoration science as the core, Vital has made great breakthroughs in the practice of regeneration, recovery, and rejuvenation of gastrointestinal cells against gastrointestinal aging and chronic gastrointestinal diseases. As people age, gastrointestinal villi begin natural aging and become sparse. Thus, the stomach is vulnerable to gastric acid and bacteria, causing gastric disease to get worse. After GI Vital Softgel is chewed, a protective film can be formed on the surface of the aged villi, which can reduce the further damage of harmful acid substances to the stomach and intestines on the same day, and instantly inhibit excessive gastric acid secretion and eliminate gastric distension. Continuous administration can also promote villi tissue regeneration, and young, thick, and dense villi will regrow. GI Vital Softgel has solved the world's medical problem of repeated attacks of gastrointestinal diseases. Breakthrough 1. GI Vital Softgel can activate the regenerative potential of gastrointestinal tissues, promote the regeneration of body cells, repair without scars, and renew the tissues and functions of damaged and aged gastric mucosa and intestinal villi, thereby realizing the comprehensive rejuvenation of gastrointestinal tissues and organs. It is an ideal product to curb gastrointestinal malignancy at present. Breakthrough 2. Marshall and Warren, Australian winners of Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2005, pointed out that the chief culprit of gastritis, gastric ulcer, and duodenal ulcer is pylori. GI Vital Softgel is antibiotic-free and contains abundant pure plant active factors that can destroy the hotbed of Helicobacter pylori growth and block the nutrient absorption of Helicobacter pylori, thus completely inhibiting and killing Helicobacter pylori from the root. We believe that with the wide popularization and application of GI Vital Softgel, everyone could have a regenerative stomach in the future. In fact, Vital also has many incredible functions in addition to the aforementioned benefits. Nowadays, many people take GI Vital Softgel before and after drinking, as it can protect gastric mucosa from alcohol injury, repair the damage of alcohol to gastrointestinal mucosa, relieve discomfortable symptoms, and even more surprisingly, it can completely repair alcohol stomach in the shortest time. Some injured people use GI Vital Softgel as it can quickly eliminate wound inflammation, accelerate healing, and improve healing effect. GI Vital Softgel, a health product certified in all over the world. After being audited by American authoritative organizations, GI Vital Softgel's technical regulations and standards have obtained the free sale certificate from the FDA after strict examination and approval. Besides, Vital has also obtained the double certifications of national authoritative quality testing institutions of many countries, including the United States and China. It is globally recognized as an effective and safe health product for human health. For GI Vital Softgel civilian use to benefit the people, Norland Group established Vital US Life Regeneration Incorporated, New York, focusing on scientific research of regenerative restoration science, product development, and mass production of regeneration technology. The pace of technological progress has never stopped. From antibiotics to probiotics and then to tissue regeneration technologies, which makes it possible to overcome gastrointestinal diseases. We believe that with the popularization of GI Vital Softgel, more and more people will benefit from it.